Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to see your YouTube channel watch time in the last month on your PC. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click on your profile picture. Step 2. Select YouTube Studio. Step 3. Go to Dashboard. Step 4. Under the Summary section, you will find the watch time information you're looking for. By following these steps, you can easily track the total amount of time viewers have spent watching your videos in the last month. This is a valuable metric that can help you understand your audience's engagement and make informed decisions for your channel's growth. Monitoring your watch time is crucial for optimizing your content strategy and improving viewer retention. It allows you to identify which videos are performing well and which ones may need improvement. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to see your YouTube channel watch time in the last month on your PC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.